We first remove the viscous fan by holding the water pump pulley with a strap. The fan is removed by loosening the 13mm bolt that holds it in place. Remove the clips that hold the radiator shroud in place. For quick removal of the fan belt, I take the power steering pulley off. Once that's off, the fan belt comes off very easy. The tensioner has a 19mm bolt over there, which we'll use later, and the 13mm tensioning mechanism is at the top. I remove the thermostat housing by taking these two 13mm headed bolts off here. The hose over there will be removed once the bolts are loose. Once you've removed the bolts and loosened the clamp, the whole housing comes off easy like that. Next, we remove the water pump pulley by removing the 4 screws with a spline tool. Once we've got them out, it simply just pops off as easy as that. Behind there is the viscous coupling coil, which has to be removed next with an 8mm spanner. You will need an 8mm flat spanner to remove the 3 nuts that hold the viscous coupling coil onto the water pump bracket. There are 2 wires that are connected at the back on the connector. You need to remove them before you can remove the coil. There they are there. Next, we have to remove the alternator bracket that also holds the water pump on with 3 8mm bolts with 13mm heads. The alternator has been removed, and we can now get on with taking the water pump out. Once everything has been removed, the water pump pulls off quite easily. The fitting process is just the reverse of the stripping process, and once everything is in, fill up with antifreeze and fresh water, start up and check for no leaks.